Hi everyone. Have you ever thought that Nitecore would release a flashlight that has a rotating head and a multi-temperature LED? Well, this one is the new Nitecore EDC09 and we will review it today. You will see all the stuff that you need in this video. Let's go and see what is included in the box. I bought it from AliExpress, that's why the box is in Chinese. I found a good deal of 45 euros and grabbed it immediately. So we have the flashlight. This is the box. And let's see what's inside. Nothing else there. Okay. We have the lanyard. We also have the USB Type-C and some documentation. This is a card from Nitecore. Unfortunately, I can't read Chinese. This is a nice addition. I like when manufacturers do that. It's a sticker. Really cool sticker. This is the user manual. And yeah, it's in English too. Just pause the video if you want to see anything. And this one is a important safety warning. Let's put them aside, and the USB Type-C. This one is cool. This silicone cover goes on the head and makes the flashlight like a lamp, diffuses the light. That's the way the lanyard attaches. Really nice, has a rich wrist setting. Okay, let's remove the lanyard. I don't usually use the lanyards, but that's up to you. Let's take a closer look at the flashlight, and I'm gonna tell you some things like the build quality, etc. So this flashlight is made of stainless steel. This shell is stainless steel. There are some plastic, I think, parts like this one on the side, and these for the front, I think they are plastic. The buttons, it has two buttons and they are both metal. The cover of the USB is plastic and reveals the USB Type-C in there, and the head is of course rotatable up to 102 degrees. That's really cool. And the cool part is that nothing exceeds this from that side, that it's the contact point, the rotating point of the head. Nothing exceeds, it's just flat as on the other side. If you hold it like this, you can't really tell that it rotates. Seems like a normal flat flashlight. Now the pocket clip is metal, of course, stainless steel. The body, I forgot to say, has a PVD coating, physical vapor deposition, so they call it. The pocket clip is a new addition. The EDC17 has a different one. This one is better than the EDC17, and it's deep carry from this side, and on the other it goes pretty much where the head rotates. So when the head is at 102 degrees, it's deep carry also. Here it has two MCT quad-core UHE LEDs with a maximum output of 1600 lumens. No tempered glass on top, just the TIR. They look beautiful. There is a lip here to protect the TIR optics. These four parts that are plastic and this help with the grip really much. There are some screws. You can disassemble the light, but you will probably void the warranty. There is also on the bottom a magnet, which is surprisingly strong. I will demonstrate the magnet here. That's a metal. See? Doesn't come off easily. This part where the magnet is plastic. Now the button has a nice feedback. It's a slide button, slide switch, which gives us very easy operation. And the upper button, it's just a simple button. It's also metal, that is used to change the color temperature between the three different color temperatures that it has. It has a 6500K for cool white with CRI 73, 4500K neutral white with CRI 83, and 3000K warm white with a CRI 97. It has a max throw of 153 meters and 4 brightness levels and a warning flash mode for each color temperature. It's powered by a built-in 1100 mAh lithium battery. It also has 4 indicators for the battery, and when 4 are constant on, like now, it has between 75 and 100% battery. When 3 are on, it's 50 to 75%, and when 2 are on, it's 25 to 50%. When 1 is constant on, it's 10% to 25%, and when 1 is flashing, this one on the left, it's below 10%, and you should charge the battery. Speaking of the battery, it takes around 80 minutes to fully charge the flashlight from 0 to 100. It's built in. That means that you can't change the battery. It also has a 2-year warranty. Another feature that it has is that you can use the flashlight while charging, and that's really nice. It also has advanced temperature regulation and a high efficiency constant current circuit that promises to provide a stable output, and advanced power cutoff technology for an ultra low standby power consumption. It can tail stand, and its waterproof rating is IPX6. Dust resistance hasn't been tested, and the impact resistance is 2 meters, which is above the usual. We usually see 1 or 1.5 meters. This one has 2 meters. That means that it can withstand some drops. Let's do a size comparison. I have several flashlights here with me. First, I have the Workhorse FC11C. I also have the Pokelit from Acebeam. This is the Baton 3 Pro Max from Olight. This is the Phoenix PD25R. This is the Sofirn SC13A with Anduril. I'm preparing a full review for this guy. You will see that in the next few days, so stay tuned for that. I also have a Victorinox Alox Farmer X, in case you want to pair a Swiss Army knife as an EDC. And last but not least, I have a knife. That's the Spyderco Para 3. The UI is simple, and this slide switch helps on that. So sliding the button once gives us the low mode. One more, it's the medium. One more is high. If you want to access the ultra low, you have to press this button and raise the slide switch on whatever place you want. That's the ultra low. In every mode, if you press this button, you can change the color temperature from cool white to neutral white and warm white. Even if you press this the M button and all the way the slide switch, it goes to ultra low. Let me show you the 3 color temperatures. This is cool white, neutral white and warm white. It also has a warning mode, and you can access it by pressing the M button for 2 seconds in whatever mode you are. You can't change the color temperature when you are in this mode, because pressing that goes back to the low mode that you were before. But you can change it before activating the warning mode, and it will stick with this color temperature that you want. The build quality on this flashlight is nearly excellent. I really can't find something that I don't like, except these TIR optics that doesn't have a glass on top to protect it. This is the only thing that I'm worried about, and all the rest, especially the pocket clip, the ability to charge and use the light and at the same time the new side switch is really cool. If you muscle memory the mode, you can go to each mode you want really fast. The rotating head is a really cool feature, and the quality seems really high. It doesn't move, not even I'm applying force, and it doesn't move. It's firm and it will hold the position that you want. I don't know why they used plastic on the back where the magnet is, but in my understanding is that because it's a strong magnet, the plastic takes the impact smoother. So maybe it's for that. If you know why they used plastic, or maybe have a guess, write in the comment section below, and let me know what do you guys think overall of the design. I think it looks really good. Let me show you a cool thing about this rotating head. Let's say that you mount the flashlight here with this side of the pocket clip, and you can light up from the sky all the way to 102 degrees. And if you want to go even lower, you can just use the other side of the clip and rotate that. You can even light up your feet when walking. 180 degrees adjustment. Really nice. For those who use a flashlight while working in the dark, that's really nice. It's hands-free. You just set it and go. Here you can see the technical data advertised from Nitecore, as well as the specifications. If you want to see them in detail, you can pause the video. The photometry was measured with the Opal Lightmaster 4 and shows very good results. The neutral white was measured above 90 CRI in all modes, and the delta UV is almost zero. And the warm white was measured above 97 as advertised. And the impressive part here is the R9 that is between 84 and 86. Overall, I'm really happy with these results. Here are my Lumen, Candela and beam distance measurements. Feel free to pause the video and see them in detail. In high mode, the Nitecore EDC09 delivers very high initial output, but steps down quickly due to thermal regulation. After the step down, it maintains a stable output for around 2 to 2.5 hours, depending on the tint. Mid mode shows flat, well-regulated output across all tints, offering close to 3 hours of runtime with better thermal efficiency. Overall, high mode is ideal for short bursts of brightness, while mid mode provides the best balance of stability and runtime. Hi guys, this is a test of the new Nitecore EDC09. Going first at the cool white, that's turbo. That's neutral white. And warm white. Let's go again to cool white. For the size, it has a decent amount of throw. It's rated around 150 meters. Now it starts stepping down. It steps down pretty quickly. but maintains flat output after that, around 300 lumens, depends on the mode, on the color temperature. That's neutral white. And warm white. The warm white is my favorite. It's really high CRI, 97 I measured, and it's perfect for your eyes and to help you sleep if you want a bedside light. The warm white has enough throw too. I can see these trees in front. I don't know if they are visible in the camera. It doesn't go much light there, but in person it's better than the camera. Let's go see the other modes too. That's level 2, sorry, that's low for warm white. Cool white, again low. And neutral white. That's medium in neutral white. Warm white, medium. And cool white. We'll go again to turbo. Cool white, neutral white, warm white. Neutral and warm whites are outstanding in terms of colors. I measured the neutral white above 90 CRI, and that's pretty impressive to have a neutral and a warm white, both high CRI, in one option. Cool white, of course, cool white gives us the most amount of light. So if you want the most amount of light, you will probably use the cool white. This is neutral white again, and warm white. Cool white, neutral, and warm. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me down in the comments section. And if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to the channel to see more flashlights and EDC gear. Have a great night. Bye.